Do you think it matters that Welsh audiences know that releases like Effi and Blaenau have connections to Wales?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I think personally I've seen a lot of films that have been shot in Wales, made in Wales, but the story doesn't necessarily have anything to do with Wales. And I think so, yeah, what's so great about this film is that, you know, it was fully made in Wales, but it's also about a Welsh girl and is in the Welsh language. And so, I think it's important for people to know how Welsh it is. I mean, I think people are going to know that going into it, watching it. But it's something that I feel very proud of.
What about you, Mark?
Yeah, I think it's a tricky one because I think what I really like is that, you know, in a way, this is probably an easier sell to Welsh language audience because they might be aware of it through Welsh language. It'd be really nice if non-Welsh speaking Welsh people can see it. So how do you break, you know, every time you make a film there's a barrier, and the barrier on this one would not be the Welsh speaking audience, to be honest. I think they'll find it one way or the other, it'll be on telly in the end. But what I think is, how do you get, don't be scared of this subtitled film, it's going to speak to you. So maybe that's the challenge we got with this film.